Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional newspaper in Canva using the ready-made templates and editing tools. So first of all, come here on canva.com, then simply sign in into your account, then select the option of templates and use the search bar in order to search for newspaper. Now when you search for newspaper, you are going to see a bunch of different types of newspaper templates as these you can see over here. So these are the Instagram posts that are in the newspaper format. Then we have documents, we have posters, we have magazines, and a bunch of different templates. So you can select any of these templates that you want. For example, let's say I'm interested in this one, so I'm going to select this, then click on the option of customize this template. Now what you can do is you can just simply start making changes into it. Like you can select the double click on the text, and then you can change the headline. You can change the texts over here, and if you want to duplicate this page, simply click on this plus icon in order to duplicate the page. And here you can also make changes into the images, so you can describe your image over here, and then you can just simply drag and drop those images over here. So it's very drag and drop kind of thing. You just have to double click on it, make changes into the text, just go to the elements, change the photos. You can add as many pages as you want, and you can also select the theme and you can make changes into the theme as well. So once you are done, click on the option of share on the top right hand corner, then click on the option of download, and you can download the pages in the PNG format. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.